In this lesson, we will be learning our next chord, which is called C. To play the chord C, we place our third finger in the third fret on the second string, which is the A string. Then we place our second finger in the second fret on the third string, which is the D string. And finally, we place our first finger in the first fret on the fifth string, which is the B string. Now we will learn which strings to strum when playing the chord C. When playing the chord C, try not to strum the first string, which is the E string. So the only strings you should strum are the bottom 5 strings, which are A, D, G, B, and high E. So let's try to play the chord C together 4 times using strum 1, which is down, down, up. And we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 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 C.